Good day, sir. My name is Jason Ramos. The present is about five concepts of programming. Programming is the process of writing instruction for a computer to perform specific tasks. In order to effectively communicate with a computer and get it to do what we want, we need to understand and use various concepts of programming. Uh, In this in this presentation, we will discuss five important concepts of programming. First is about variable, second is about control structures, third is about data structure, fourth is about function, and the last is loops or iteration. The first one is about variables. Variables are like named container that store data in a program. They hold values that can be changed during programs execution. Think of them as placeholder that hold information you can use and manipulate. Dito po, variable are used to store and manipulate data in a program. They are like containers that hold values such as number, text, or objects. Uh, in program, variables are declared with a name and a data type. The data type specifies the kind of data that a variable can hold, such as integers, floating point number, string, or object. And the second is about control structure. Control structure determine the the order in a which instruction in a program are executed. They allow the program to make decision and repeat tasks. Common example include if statement for decision making and for or while loops for repeating tasks. Dito naman is control structure are used to control the flow of a program. They determine the order in which statements are executed and under the condition. There are three main types of control structure: sequence, selection, and iteration. Sequence is control structure, execute statement in a sequential order, and selection control structure use conditional statement to make decision, and iteration control naman is executed statement repeatedly based on a condition. And then data structures. Data structure are ways to organize and store data efficiently. They provide different methods to assess, modify, and manipulate data. Example include array like list and trees. Dito naman is data structures are used to store and organize data in a program. They help in efficiently assessing and manipulate data. Same common data structure include array, list, stack, webs, trees, and graph. Each data structure has its own advantage and use cases. For example, array are useful for storing a collection of elements of the data type, while trees are used for organizing hierarchical data. Uh, and then function are usurable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help to organize code and avoid repetition by encapsulating a set of instructions that a can be called upon when needed. Dito, function are blocks of code that perform a specific task. They help in breaking down a program into smaller module pieces, function, and take input parameter, perform computation, and return output values. They are reusable and can be called multiple times from different parts of a program. Functions are essential for writing organized and maintainable code. And then, loops iteration. Loops area a type of control structure that allows a block of code to be repeated a certain number of times or until a condition is met. Iteration refers to each individual execution of the loop code block. Dito naman po is loop, also known as iteration, are used to execute a block of code repeatedly. They help in automating repetitive tasks and processing collection of data. There are three main type of loops: for loops, while loops, and do while loops. A for loops is used when the number of iteration is known in advance. A while loops is used when the condition for executing the loop in evaluate before each iteration. I do while loop is similar to while loop, but the condition is evaluated after each iteration. Siguro ang natutunan ko dito is understanding and applying these 5 concepts of programming can help in writing efficient structure and maintainable code. Variables help in storing and manipulating data. Control structure control the flow of program. Data structure help in organizing and assessing data. Function break down a program into smaller recyclable pieces, and loops iteration automate repetitive tasks by mastering this concept. Programmers can help develop reliable and scalable software solution. Yun lang po. Thank you for listening to this presentation.